Man, what's up, man? Early morning, man. It's your boy, Birdside Stew. You know what I'm saying? We checking in again with you, man. I know it's been a week or two, but we got another video for you. We got more footage for you. Man, we here right now. I ain't gonna show it to you, man. You probably can hear it, though, if you're listening in real close. You know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying? It's similar to a video we dropped before, but we're gonna do it again today, you know what I'm saying? I just like the views. I like how it look, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna bring it to y'all because everybody don't get to see it every day. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned in. Make sure you like this. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you tell a friend. Make sure you tell somebody. You know what I'm saying? Just don't tell on nobody. You know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying? Let's go and get into it.
Shining like the summer, but I'm moving through the night. Traveling all alone, maybe this just been my life. You can't show me nothing, if it's wrong don't want advice. Focused on myself, maybe this just what I'm like. This just been my life, maybe this just been my life. Traveling.
Yes, sir. Hey, your boy in my another video. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we got the drone in motion right now. And actually, man, it's a little man-made kind of fall, you know what I'm saying? Kind of, this is a little stream or whatever, and this is really man-made. And I said, hold up, I heard some squawking. I was like, man, this ain't the Mighty Ducks, is it? I got the Peabody Ducks, man. I had them to come make a appearance for the video, man. Y'all go look up Peabody Place in Memphis, man. I had the Peabody Ducks. They flew in Colorado to Denver. You know what I'm saying? I had them come make a little cameo. So, you know, we got the ducks, right? Let's check them out for a second. You know, I got in close on them. I ain't want to scare them too much, you know, for real though. I'm just enjoying nature, and I know good and well that the ducks ain't never seen no drone. You know what I'm saying? They probably looking at this thing like, man, is this a new eagle or is this a new hawk or something? The boats is coming in, you know what I'm saying? But you know, keep it moving, you know. But this is a good view. Actually, I was just out walking, and this is a good view just downstream of the river, you know what I'm saying? And the river's kind of being summer, you know, it's not, you think it'd be fully running, but actually it's kind of dried up. I won't say dried up, but it's low tide type. The water level is really low. You know, you can tell where it becomes higher. Maybe in the winter. I know I saw this, I see this stream a lot in the winter, my fault. But we gonna keep everything in there. But I saw this in the winter, and you know, the level is a little higher, and it seemed like in the summer maybe just the heat of the, I don't know, kind of draws it up. But you know what I'm saying, just a good little view though. Got some more little duckies. I think, is this it? Nah, this ain't it. But yeah, I just want to just kind of show, man, the area. You know, it's pretty cool, and it's little trails here and there, whether some are animal made or man made. There's little trails here and there that cut from the stream and go up to the trails and just out into more wooded area, you know. But little duckies right there, man. Little duckies, the more Peabody Ducks, man. The whole team came, but yeah, you can see actually how fast the drone moves too. Drone move pretty fast, you know. So definitely I took it up a little bit higher. I didn't want to take it up too high because I'm like, man, it's over water. I'm not really under it at the moment. And so I had to improvise, you know what I'm saying? I stepped on out. We're going to get to that. We're going to see that in a second. But let's just enjoy the view for a second. Goodness. Once again, it's Denver, you know. Actually, Glendale, Cherry Creek area of Denver, Colorado, you know what I'm saying? This would be like the outskirts, maybe you say, of Denver. But you still have a phenomenal view right now, you know what I'm saying? You have a phenomenal view of the area, and just pretty cool. And I really liked it, getting this little view, you know what I'm saying? Just especially right here, how you can just see downstream. And this is me actually landing it, you know what I'm saying? I was bringing it on down. I'm like, all right, we're gonna bring it down and calculate this, you know what I'm saying? Start calculating the risk and the probabilities, and I was looking up at the drone just being on the ground, and I was like, man, I saw bugs kind of, you know what I'm saying? They attract bugs. The hummingbirds probably does. And I was like, hold up, man, I don't want a bug to go in the propeller, although it's going to probably cut it up. I don't want the probability of something hitting it and falling out the sky into the water, and it's like, you know what I'm saying? Then we're going to be waiting a whole month for some videos, and we can't do that. And so while you watching right now, like it, subscribe it, and comment on it, you know what I'm saying? We're going to keep it going. And actually, as we look right now, this is man-made, you know, and then that's me taking a gander, me taking a stroll on the rocks, you know what I'm saying? Me on the rocks, you know. But, you know, just me. Hey, I'm waving. And just look how smooth that the water looks right behind me, you know. Pretty cool. I actually took some pictures here. I was like, man, you don't get to take pictures here all the time. Not too many times I've been able to just stand on something like this and take a picture. So, you know. Now, if you out in the country, maybe, you know what I'm saying, a little levee or something. But, drove my Chevy to the levee. But the levee was dry, you know. But, you know, just enjoying it as well, you know. Making the video, but enjoying the scenery. Off camera, you know what I'm saying, taking pictures as well. So that was cool to do, you know. And drone. Get over here. Time to land. We just, man, got a halftime show for y'all. I'm going to tell you right now. Y'all think it's something to live up in this joint right here? Hey, I'm just saying, man, this joint ain't got no, I don't see no light up in there. Hey, y'all go on here, man, drop a comment up in the comment section, man. For the next video, man, we'll go up in there with the drone, man. We'll take the drone right up in there. If y'all drop a like and y'all comment. If we get 100 likes, next video I'm going up in there. And I'm taking the drone in there. And we're going to have a flashlight. We're going all in there. We're going to see what's in there. All right. Back to it. To the upper room, the upper room, the upper room. Hey, we taking the drone up, man. You know, still got the views. Hey, we doing more of a urban kind of view. I kind of saw this kind of just angle, this kind of situation, scenery when I was walking on the trail. You know, I actually went past here and came back, and because I saw this, and I was like, man. And I was like, the traffic, people get to see me, you know what I'm saying, take the drone up, which is good. Also, if you do things right, you always doing self-advertising. So make sure you go like, subscribe, comment on this video, do all that, and go check me out, you know what I'm saying, Bird's Eye View. That's the website. That's everything, Bird's Eye Stew on Instagram, Bird's Eye Stew on YouTube, what you're watching now. And everywhere, you know. But you know, as we can see right now, we get a lower angle of tall buildings, you know, and it just looks real dope. You're above the cars, you know, but you're just really not as tall as the buildings, you know what I'm saying? My favorite view, Bird's Eye Stew, Bird's Eye View, you know. So it's a great view, and you know, once again, traffic cars can see the drone. It's pretty cool to see. And I know a lot of people were like, man, what is that, you know? And for those who never really get to see one, you know, it's something cool to see for the first time. But up in a way, you know, I'm taking it up a little farther to get the full impact, the full ambiance, you know what I'm saying, of the scenery and of the situation that's going on, you know what I'm saying, to let you feel that, to let you see what I was trying to bring to you, you know. But I just like that right now. It's just so urban. I like that kind of look, you know. And it's just the intersection. You got the 4 directions, the 4 ways of traffic coming together, and man, it's just cool, just something cool, just the whole impact, you know. So actually, at this moment, you know, I wish I could have spun around more, and it's okay, but I was actually talking to somebody, and like once I said, like I said, somebody's gonna always come up to you. And they're gonna ask you about what you're doing, not sometimes in a bad way because they want to question you or what you're doing, but maybe the police or just people, civilians, you know, they don't get to see this. They get to see cars and airplanes, but they don't get to see a floating robotic drone that's looking at stuff and you're controlling it just standing there. You know, they don't get to see that all the time. So you can be, you know, the own ambassador of your brand or just drones. You know, you just can inform, be informative, whether you do this freelance or you part 107 or whatever. You know, you can always be informing. People gonna always look at you as a person that they want to come up to and talk to. You doing something new, and technology is advancing every day. So, but once again, you can just see the intersection, and this is good. Just you know what I'm saying, survey traffic or various things. You know, jobs or opportunities you may run across just doing things like this. So definitely enjoy the sky. We in Denver, Colorado, Glendale. Always sunny. It rains every once in a while, but for the most part, it's blue skies, and that's one of the things that attract me to Denver is the mountains and the blue skies. It's coming from Memphis, Tennessee, where I'm from. You know, it's a big difference. So, man, just look at the view. You know, just look at the tennis court right there, and you can see into the distance. You can see the road, all the miles. You can see, man, it's probably 6 to 7, 8, maybe 10 visible nautical miles, you know, today. Only thing is a little, maybe the smoky overcast from California. But that's it, my friends. That is it. Yeah, man, that concludes the video. Really hope y'all enjoyed it, you know what I'm saying? I hope y'all liked it. You know, got more views coming. We still got next week. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to the Wiz Khalifa at the Red Rock, you know what I'm saying? So I'm definitely gonna bring y'all some video on it, you know what I'm saying? Red Rock pretty dope, look it up, you know what I'm saying? But hey, like it, comment, subscribe, like it, you know what I'm saying? 100 likes, we're gonna go up in that little cave or whatever. You know, storm is drying, we're gonna see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? But hey, till next time. We jamming, you feel what I'm saying? Till next time, man. Stay tuned in, stay locked in. It's your boy Birdside Stu, man. I appreciate it. Holla.